Cadê você? Today I'm exploring neighborhood Vila Mariana. Just look at this beautiful atmosphere. Just a street vibe. So Vila Mariana is a neighborhood here in São Paulo, close to the central. So today I'm here to explore it, to see the atmosphere, how the neighborhood look like. So that's why I'm here today, to explore it. Let's go with me, let's explore it together.
Legal é ser redondo.
So this is how it look like. It's a beautiful neighborhood here in São Paulo. Like let me say 20 minutes drive from here to the city center. So it's very close. There is a supermarket. So the neighborhood is quite cool. So we explore it together. Let's see how beautiful Vila Mariana look like. Yeah. So this is the old building here. If you look, you see those top buildings. These ones are new buildings. So beautiful. Look at the paint, different colors, just well arranged. So look at how the neighborhood look like. Here is also the restaurant. Very cool. Almost these buildings you see, they are offices and houses, but normally offices. All these inside shops. It's so beautiful, so cool. Look at how the environment look like. Inside shops. All these inside shops, all these areas are shops, are houses joined together. I see so many restaurants in this area. A lot of restaurants, a lot of bars. And the houses are well organized. So I'm taking you guys inside the main street, inside the main neighborhood here in Vila Mariana. How it look like, the activities that's going on in this area, how the area look like, what is going on here, the business, the everyday life, and things people do in the days. That's what we're exploring today. So quite cool. So many trees. It just look like a neighborhood, but it's already a house and business areas. That's why you see a lot of shops where they sell like furnitures, like all this house use stuff, like building materials. The houses are so beautiful, but they are old modern houses. Also new ones like these skyscrapers. This area looks so calm. Every section of this street that you go to, all of them look so beautiful, and they look different, and it looks so beautiful, and different modern houses that make it look so cool. So this place is one of the rich neighborhood here in São Paulo. We're secured and cool to live, and also close to the city center, so it's well organized and cool. Most of these old houses you see, they're going through renovation. Almost all of them are going through renovation as they're putting the new ones, like all these skyscrapers. The old ones are going renovated. You can see they're old houses. Some of them are renovated, some of them are going through renovation. So guys, subscribe to my channel, subscribe. One love. Yeah.
Segunda parte demora mais tarde
É aqui, ó.
entre uma evolução a cada.
So it's the evening vibe. Today is weekend. People are closed from work. It's time to relax. That's why I see guys out there enjoying themselves. So let's continue exploring. The area look nice, look cool. There's a government buildings. São Paulo with hills. Any corners of this city of São Paulo you go, you must meet up hills. That's São Paulo for you. Here's academy. Physical fit. You can exercise yourself. I didn't expect this. This area has so much energy. So beautiful, so organized. I didn't expect to see it in this way. What do you think? How do you see this area, Vila Mariana? And comment. Tell me how you see this area, Vila Mariana, look like. Here is bar. The building looks so beautiful. The modern, the old, the arrangement, the street, everywhere is calm. So this is how the part of neighborhood here in Vila Mariana look like. It's a very big neighborhood here in São Paulo, very big. But this is part of it here that I'm exploring this afternoon. So many crazy cafe shop and restaurant in this area. All junction, all corners, all the corners have a cafe shop, have a restaurant. That's what is mostly here. And they look cool because it's close to the houses where people live. So just walk through and enjoy yourself and go back home.